Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Director of Revenue Intelligence caught drugs worth heroin worth 21,000 crores. Heroin was found in 2 containers that landed at the Mundra port from Afghanistan, exported by a company in Afghanistan called Hassan Hussain Limited and imported in the name of Ashi Trading Company of Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. It's the Director of Revenue Intelligence. It's not their job. What is the function of the Narcotics Bureau? They are supposed to get it, isn't it? But you saw them last year. They were on an overdrive with the Sushant Singh case, where they got some 59 grams of marijuana. And there was a huge hue and cry all over. I'm asking, why is the NCB not active now? You see, that is Bollywood sons have been raided or whatever. But that again, where does this drug come from? NCB should work on what happened in Mundra port, isn't it? Why has NCB not having a head for the last 18 months? Who is in charge of NCB? So NCB comes out all of a sudden and does this drama. Oh, we caught this in a ship here, some Bollywood. They are deflecting attention from the real issue. एक 2 Supreme Court sitting judges हैं, उसको हम कह रहे हैं कि जांच कीजिए. सब पता, फिर दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होगा. जरूर बिना पॉलिटिकल पैट्रनेजेस से इतना बड़ा माल नहीं आ सकता. होम मिनिस्टर डूइंग, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ही इज डूइंग. व्हाई इज ही आई मस्ट टेल यू इज वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट होम मिनिस्टर्स इंडिया हैज एवर हैड, मिस्टर अमित शाह.
गिरीश म्हणटा फाटीं 70 बीजेपी पदाधिकाऱ्याच्या फॅक्टरीन कोट्यांचे केटमाइन सापडिल्ले. तिवूय केस सरकारान पद्धतशीर चेपली.
It is a family business of BJP to have these drugs in Goa because many of their office bearers are involved in this and there is a protection to them by BJP government. If DRI can come to Goa and get 100 kilos of ketamine from BJP office bearers industrial unit in Sattari and nobody knows what has happened till date about that.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.